and go take care of business. It's important. They're incredible. Help me with my research. I'm kind of an underfoot figure. Shoes, Morty. They're special. Yeah, I can see that. Help me collect my only old person there, Morty. It was like I was some sort of grandpa, Morty. You gotta put these seeds. First law of thermodynamics. Keep hanging out and helping me. What am I supposed to do? Say no? You really wear the pants around here. Seeds wear off. You're gonna lose to Harding right about now. We're the only friends we've got. Rick and Morty and you know, it's gonna maybe make sense. Allah Akbar. I mean, the guy teaches high school math. I don't have time to...
Where's Morty?
He's busy. I don't know, Morty. The only monster here is alcoholism. It's a bunch of pirates running around a pancreas.
Rick?
Not now, Jerry. I've got... So I heard. You dodged a bullet, Morty. How sophisticated. All fake. Morty, can't let you do that, Morty.
Give it to me!
No. Do you really think this world is real? That's more like it. The Nigerians have been trying out to be able to use these processors to make some room capacity.
You know what?
Oh, yeah. You can't. They blew up. Keep your requests simple. They're not gods. All right, yeah. Beginner's luck. Oh boy, Morty, you're really showing me how it's done. Real straightforward and fun. Read 'em and weep, fellas. Cleaning up every now and then, you know? All right, Morty, I just gotta combine it with some of your DNA. Look, I'm not paying 70 smidgens for broken 60 for the resonator, and that there's half Morty, half who knows what. Plot thickens. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? You guys kidding me? Really something, I'll tell you that. You know, when we first got here, I was like, this world still got a chance. You just spent 3 months watching a man choose. Speaking of what, Morty? What should we watch next? What are you asking me for, Jerry? I'm sitting here trying to figure out why the cops don't. This fascinating character. Hey, Morty, let me ask you a question real quick. Should counteract. Here, you can have this back. Whoops. I use science. It is good. It's the best. Jerry, you in here being stupid? Suit yourself.
Yeah, bro.
We totally
yeah.
worth it. We did it. We just pulled it off.
Yeah, bro.
Bring his Morty. Leave my Morty out of there. Join the council. Hey, save your Rick rules for the sheep Ricks, Rick Pig. You have a history that'll keep him busy for a while. I fiddled with a concept like this once, which is why when I say shut up, it's really good advice. We're not so different, you and I. Yeah, duh. Point taken, but this is no time for art. Well, Jerry, and in the way of reparations for our terrible mistake, I've got like 10 Ricks to call right now. I know. Can we wrap this up? Morty and I have some synthetic laser eels oxidizing because I'm having a party, bitch. To get riggedy wrecked, son. Turns out it just adds up. Shut up, Linkler. It's the least you can do. Oh man. What? Summer for the win. Don't need to. I have a new catchphrase.
Oh, yeah? What's that, Rick?
I love my grandkids.
Aww.
Psych, just kidding. My new catchphrase is, I don't give a Just shake that ass, bitch, and let me see what you got. Just shake that ass, bitch, and let me see what you got. Roll credits. Just shake that ass. Roll the credits. Go. Just shake that ass. That's the end of season 1. That's the end, I don't give a is my new catchphrase. That's season 1.